Okay, so I'm going to take the transfer back off, and then because it hasn't been used, I need to, and this one's sticky. Some are just slightly stickier than others. So I'm going to need to fuzz it. And up. Oops, it's sticking to my light. And there we go. Okay, I'm just going to work out the wrinkles. Bubbles. Bubbles are a no-go. We don't want bubbles. There's something under here I want to get up. Probably a chalk crumb. Yes, indeed it is. If you get bubbles or wrinkles, it leaves an open gap around your design, and that can cause cause bleeding, meaning that chalk paste can go outside of the design area. Now, on a non-porous surface, that's not a big deal because you can easily get a little Q-tip and dampen it and just get that paste off. But if it's a non-porous surface, especially if you're inking something, that can be an issue. Okay, so I'm going to use my Colonial blue, and I think it may need to be stirred up a little bit. I think I've only used this once before. And it's such a pretty color. I actually picked up a table runner that has this in it. It has this, and it has the color like our Rosewood color that I used last night. And those are very trendy for fall. Okay. And I am actually, oh, I know what I'll do. Because this is a big one and I'm doing it all in one color, I'm going to use this guy, or handled squeegee. And I'm just going to blop some out here in a couple of spots. And we'll start with that. Don't know that that'll be quite enough. No, probably need a little more here. I'm not kidding when I say it's going to go faster than the actual prep time I just spent. So I'm just going to go over it a couple times, make sure it's got good coverage. And go back over it and just pick up any excess. And I'm just going to put it back in my jar because I don't want to waste it. And you can see I'm putting a lot back in. A little bit goes a long way. So a jar of paste will last an average person quite a long time. There we go. And now I like to pull it back slowly just in case I missed a spot, and then I can lay it back down and just go right back over it again. But this is looking good. Oh my gosh, I love it. The blue is gorgeous. You guys, I know you can't see the whole thing because it's really big, but how cool is this? I love it. Now I have to try and find a place for it. I have no idea what I'm going to take down. Oh, I have to keep it though. I love it. This is the problem. I end up getting these boards as demos, and then I do something that I absolutely love. It's like, well, I have to get another board. I have to order. This will be like my 4th Sylvie I'll have to order. It's like a foster fail. I'm like a chalker fail. Every single thing I do, I want to keep. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. And I almost did it in the Rosewood that we used last night because that is so pretty. And right now it's such a pretty color for fall. And actually it's a great color, would be a great color for year round. But I really wanted to do the blue today. So I love it. It's a keeper for sure, as most everything I do is. Okay, you guys, so I used our family transfer on our 18 by 18 Sylvie chalkboard, and I used Colonial blue as the chalk paste color. So if you have any questions about it, or if you're interested in Chalk Couture, if you want to take a look at our catalog, just pop a comment in catalog in the comments below, and I'll send you a link to it. If you're interested in maybe becoming a designer, maybe you'll be like me and I didn't even try it and I signed up. I knew I was going to love it, and I was right. But if you want to join my team and be a part of this, and whether it's just to make your own stuff, or if it's you know, to build a team, whatever it is you want to do. If you want to be a part of it, let me know. Just say team in the comments and I'll send you some info. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoy your Saturday, and I will see you Monday. Okay, have a great afternoon and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Okay, bye-bye.